check on the 1980 DYNA-TRAK boat and put the new stickers on it for the registration and trailer registration and all that good stuff. This will be the first time I've been to mess with the boat since Caldorona started. Last thing I did was put a new impeller kit in it, so we'll see how that's doing. But we can just enjoy the ride in the 2004 Silverado here for a little while. I haven't really done too many driving videos with this truck. Just a nice peaceful drive out in the country away from all the traffic of the big city. It's pretty nice. Had some good rain up this way as well. In an upcoming garden video, I will show that we received 3 inches of rain already in August, so that's outstanding. Outstanding for the lawn and garden. Well, here we are at the boat. I got to put the stickers on it for registration. I'm going to blow the leaves out of it. Needs to be detailed out, but it's still looking okay. I don't know that I'll get a startup of it on this trip. Well, the boat's all covered up for next time I come up here, which will probably be Labor Day. Gonna bring a fresh battery back and see if we can get this thing started. The battery did have just enough chutes to turn the starter over, so that's good. The motor's not seized up or anything, so it should probably go just fine. Here's a quick look at the washer and dryer here at the Aunt and Uncle's place. Here's a couple of the trucks on the property. The 2011 Silverado. And here's the 2000 F250 with the 7.3 liter diesel. Pretty good looking truck yet. And there's our fishing pond down there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice looking truck. Here's the AC unit of the house.